Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to deactivate your Pinterest account. If you're looking to take a break from Pinterest, temporarily disabling your account is a great option. It hides your profile and boards from public view, but keeps everything saved for when you're ready to return. Let's walk through the updated steps to get it done. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap Saved. This will take you to your profile. Next, tap your profile icon, usually located in the top right or bottom right corner. This opens up your account settings. Now, you're going to want to find Account Management. Depending on your device and the version of the app, you might need to tap a gear icon to access settings first. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see Account Management and tap on it. Okay, almost there. In the Account Management section, you'll find the option to deactivate account. Tap on that. Pinterest will then ask you to confirm your decision. Simply tap Continue to proceed. Pinterest might ask you to select a reason for leaving. This is optional, so choose a reason or skip it if you prefer. Finally, tap the Deactivate Account button to finalize the process. And that's it. Your Pinterest account is now deactivated. Keep in mind that when your account is deactivated, your profile, boards, and pins will no longer be visible to other users. However, your username and email address remain associated with the account. This means you won't be able to create a new account with the same email or username. If you decide to come back to Pinterest, reactivating your account is super easy. Just log in with your email address and password and you'll be back in action. All your pins and boards will be just as you left them. Deactivating your account is a simple way to take a break without losing your curated content. Whether you need a social media detox or just want to free up some time, Pinterest makes it easy to temporarily disable your account. I hope this updated guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.